How to enable or disable COM add-ins in Microsoft Excel. Here's how to enable or disable COM add-ins in Microsoft Excel. First, open Excel on your computer and open the file you want to work on. Then, click File in the top left corner. Next, scroll down and select Options at the bottom left. After that, in the Excel Options window, click Add-ins. Now, go to the Manage box at the bottom, change it from Excel Add-ins to COM Add-ins. Then, click Go. From here, check the boxes to enable, or uncheck to disable the add-ins you want. Finally, click OK to save the changes. That's it. You've just managed COM add-ins in Excel. Subscribe to see more videos like this.